Welcome back to Mach-E Connection. Today, let's jack things up. So before we start jacking things up, I got something special to show you all. For the past many months, AOSK has been working on a specialized puck for the Mustang Mach-E. I believe these will come in a kit of 4, only have one for testing purposes, and each puck should come with a few washers. A small one for the front, and a big one for the rear. And of course, there's a nice strong rubber, which is nice because it will also prevent the car from slipping off. But with that, let's go ahead and give it a shot and try it out. So before we can start jacking the vehicle up, we need to think of safety first. It's always wise to chock your car. When you're on 3 wheels, you do not want this rolling away. Now we have the vehicle chock. We want to make sure we're going to jack the vehicle up between these 2 arrows. You see right here. You want to make sure you avoid jacking up on this rail right here. For that's your high voltage battery, and jacking here can cause some serious damage to your vehicle. And that's where AOSK's puck comes into place. So since we're going to be jacking the front of the vehicle up today, we're going to remove the fat washer, and we're going to put on the smaller washer. So between these 2 arrows, you will see you have a hole right here. And this puck is designed to slide right into this hole. Now, being a new puck, it will be a little stiff at first, so you just kind of get the puck in there, and we're going to give it a nice little wiggle, and eventually you'll feel it pop into place. Just like that. Now we got our puck in place, let's go ahead and grab our jack and jack the vehicle up. Now, for jack-wise, the Mustang Mach-E weighs about 5,000 pounds, so you're probably going to want at least a 3-ton jack. But since we're only going to be jacking up the 1 wheel, we should be fine with just the 2-ton. So with that, let's get our jack into place. This puck is designed, once you got your jack on there, you're jacking the car vehicle up, you'll have just enough room where your jack will not touch or damage any of your plastic trimming right here. And gives still plenty of clearance from high voltage rail. So with that, let's finish jacking this vehicle up. And also make sure your rears are out, your car's unlocked, or you will set off the car alarm. And there we are. See, our vehicle is plenty well jacked up. I can now work on this front wheel. You still got plenty of clearance between the puck and the battery. So this puck's done a very good job. So now that we're done here, let's go ahead and lower our vehicle. Nice and slowly. There you have it. And now that we're done, this puck will just simply give it a wiggle, it'll pop right out. Like so. So for the rear of the vehicle, again, look for your 2 arrows, and you're going to see a hole right here. So we'll take our same puck, remove the small washer, make sure we have the bigger washer installed, like that. Find your hole between your 2 arrows, and this being a bigger hole, the puck will actually pop in a little bit easier, just like that. And now we're ready to jack up the rear of the vehicle. And there you all have it. I think AOSK did a great job on these pucks. I did have a little bit of influence towards the end, get it finished just right. But other than that, though, you need to keep in mind that this is a prototype. The final version may change. But once available, hopefully by the end of the year, you should find this for sale on Amazon and ev-vita.store. And what's great about this, if you go to ev-vita.store, use my code DustinMME, you'll save 5% on all Mach-E accessories and mods. Again, that's ev-vita.store. Use discount code DustinMME to save 5% on all Mach-E accessories and mods. And until then, I'll see y'all later. Bye.